guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. My name is Gmeiny. So today you guys, I decided to do my everyday makeup routine and show you guys what I do and also what to do to not get any flashbacks. Okay, so if you want to stay tuned, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. You know, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, because it'll help your girl out a lot. And also, you know, about the content that I've been posting, I'm pretty much, you know, doing makeup tutorials and also try on hauls. So let me know about what you guys think about the try on hauls, if I should continue doing them or should I just stay with makeup. I don't know, but leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so let me not talk so much and just get right into the video. So as you guys can see, eyebrows are already done, so that you know this video won't be too long. And also I already moisturized my face with my Pond 24-hour moisturizer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and color correct my face so I can get rid of these, you know, black spots or whatnot, so it won't come through the foundation. So yes, and I am using the LA Girl Pro, and this is in the, what color is this? It's the orange corrector. Orange corrector, okay? Okay, and I have a mirror right here I'm looking at, so. I'm gonna use this type of brush to pretty much blend it out. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl foundation. This is True Blend. It's matte made, and it's in the color D80. Using this type of brush to apply. And I'm not going to use a lot of foundation because this is pretty much my everyday makeup routine, and you don't want like a lot of makeup. So yeah, this is only one pump and it's already gone through half of my face. I'm gonna use one more pump and then that would be it. And for concealer, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer in the color 12, and I'm only gonna be using a little bit because this concealer goes a long way. Like, a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna be doing 3 little dots. 3, and then the forehead, just 1 dot. Okay, so let's go ahead and pretty much blend this out. Okay, so to not get any flashback, I use the Fit Me Loose Finishing powder, and it's in the color 30 medium deep. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. This is what I used, and I honestly don't apply a lot. And I seen this trick from Beats by Deb. I don't know if you guys know her, but this is what she pretty much do. So I use the beauty blender that I used to press on my foundation earlier. So what I'm gonna do now is use a different angle, like this angle right here, and I'm gonna dab just a little. I'm just gonna go ahead and blow off the extra powder, and then we're gonna press on the concealer. So pretty much press it in, just lightly, not too much. Okay, you see? I'm gonna do the other one. So now what we're gonna do is pretty much, you know, go again, but this time we're gonna apply a lot and just leave it on top, and then afterwards we're gonna go ahead and just pretty much remove the extra powder on top. We're gonna leave this on for like 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the extra powder. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the extra powder. Now what I'm gonna do is pretty much go with my True Match finish powder, and we're gonna go ahead and, you know, blend it all in. And the True Match powder is in cocoa. After I spray my setting spray, it's gonna all come together and you're gonna see. Okay, so just trust the process, you guys. Just trust the process. Definitely it's gonna come together. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette to contour my face, because this is pretty much an everyday makeup routine, so you don't want it to be popping so much. So we're gonna lightly dab on it like that.
You pretty much contour the face. See, it's not too much.
So now we're gonna do the nose. So now what we're gonna do is pretty much set the contour with the Black Radiance medium to dark powder palette. Okay, you guys, and to pretty much do my eyeshadow, I'm only gonna use one transition color, and it's probably gonna be a brown. And I'm also gonna go in with my 35G bronze gold palette by Morphe. See, just something real simple. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. Like, do you guys not see like the difference? Like, this one kind of blends in with my face, but this one, it has, you know, just a little color. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay, so now we're gonna do just a little eyeliner so that I can put on my eyelashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes off camera. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, we're gonna go ahead and finish the makeup. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is pretty much put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I already put some on top of my lashes, so now what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of highlight. Highlight the nose. Okay, so to finish it off, let's go ahead and add some lip gloss. So what I do is pretty much eyeline my lip with like a brown lip liner. Just gonna go ahead and use a regular lip gloss. Just my signature mauve. And there you guys have it. This is pretty much all I do on a daily basis when I do my makeup. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this look. It's pretty simple. I don't do too much, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. And this completes the video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified when I do post new videos. Okay? Mwah.